You know, the bridge, check the bridge. It's got to be somewhere over there. And there's got to be one somewhere on the bridge over there. That's all. I don't know. Got it? Yeah, got it. Excellent. All right. Get on. Go back on it. Go back this way. We got one piece. Go back this way. We got one piece. Come on. Oh, crap. Don't go this way. All right. Hit. Up on the dude, you gotta call it. Oh. Through the window! Oh. Is that me? Dude, what are you gonna not call that? What are you kidding me? 3 shots in your gut. Are you kidding me? You gotta be joking. You gotta be joking, man. Holy cow. Of course they have to back up. They don't call it hits. What do you want? Is that not called? You're joking. That wasn't called either? Did that guy call, is it? A ref is a joke. Ref, they got one piece, right? They got one piece? Do they have one piece? What happened to our ammo box? I thought we got the other piece? Hey, ref! Hey, ref! What at him? Yeah. We had this one over there. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. This is not the piece you're supposed to get?
That's not the right one. They found it already. They're already en route to that building over there.
That was under the bridge over there.
Let me out. Over there.
This piece was over there.
I don't know about that one. They probably a big one.
That's what you were just showing us.
You got that?
Yeah, we got it. It's been sitting on our base for like 10 minutes or 5 minutes. That's what you had before. Ow.
So what do you do? So what happened?
I have no idea. Hold on, don't shoot me. So ref, am I taking this back? Can I shoot all these guys in the back?
Out. Load it.
I got a laser right on that flashlight, right where they are. You tell me they can't call anything? It's alright. It's alright if they come, but just ask them to call their hits. Good.